I totally understand how batteries feel because I'm rarely ever included in things either. You're welcome.
Get another one?
Yeah.
Good girl.
I couldn't reach, so that's why it took a long time, but I got it.
Yay! Got another one? Did you get another one? Two. Show me. Hold them up. Good job.
He just noticed me. Did you see the quills go up? Okay, before we get moving on here, I forgot to mention we have new Amazon links for the United States. The Amazon Canada one's still good and it's still available below in the description. But the US one, we had to get a new one. So anybody who has our Amazon links that you shop through, it's no longer valid. So if you want to pick up the new link, we have links to different products that we use. And you can click through them and check them out if you want. But also, if you click in any one of those links and then you're just shopping for whatever you're going to buy anyways, it'd be no extra cost to you. You can buy whatever you're going to buy. You don't have to buy anything from those links. Just shop through it and then look for what you're going to look for yourself anyway, and that kicks back a commission to the channel. So I'll put links below. I'll put a US link, a Canada link like before, and then I'll have that list of links. And basically, whichever one you click through, if you save that link and then you shop through that whenever you shop on Amazon, that'll support the channel with no extra cost to you just by giving a commission for us sending you over there. So thanks in advance. Another way you can support us, that's pretty good, is that we have a random snack channel. So all we do, we've had it for like probably over a year now, and we weren't all that consistent with it, but lately we've been a little more consistent with it. And well, we just we'll try out, this is a diet Pepsi cherry. So we'll just randomly try it out. They're not polished videos or anything, but it's us just kind of joking around, trying out different snacks. We had Aggie from Australia actually sent us a box, 2 boxes of I think it was 2 boxes for sure.
Tim Tam.
Of different Australian snacks, Tim Tams, all these different things, Vegemite, lots of stuff. Anyways, so we just tried that stuff on the snack channel, right? It's called The Real Snack Guide. I'll put the link below. The link is also available from our homepage. It's just a fun thing. And then maybe during the videos, like say you see us eating something, maybe every now and then we might share the whole process of us doing that, like a blueberry pie or something, share it over there. Instead of on here, you might see us making it over there, you might see us doing that. But for the most part, we're just like trying out a caramel bar or something, right? But it's just something fun. So if you want to go over there, that's another way to support this channel by supporting that channel. That's only got about 175 subscribers, something like that. But if we can get up to 1,000, we can monetize our snack channel just with us eating snacks. So if you go over there, and we'll chat with you back and forth there too. It's just kind of fun. Anyways, gonna get back to working on here. Just thought I'd tell you about it, right? I'm not sure if I mentioned the wall that we're working on. It's our gable wall, the end wall with the high cathedral point. So that's what we're working on right now. Another thing I still got to do is I got to build out these here, build out the windows so that, you know, once these are up here, that'll be built out with wood, and then the trim will go over top that, and then it'll be nice and clean, like no gaps here. It'll be clean here, and then clean the whole way up. So I'll have to do that at some point. Alright, well, we got to start on this here anyways. We got kind of a late start on it today, but
Yeah.
it's going to take a little while to do this, but we got right up to the top of that window, so that's good. We'll probably go here and work up the middle part tomorrow.
Looks awesome. Loving it.
Yeah, me too. It's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
So, anyways, like I said, go check out The Real Snack Guide. Watch us eat snacks,
Yeah.
joke around. You'll see different parts of the house, stuff like that too, just because a lot of times we're in the kitchen, but sometimes it could be anywhere. It might even be in a drive-thru or something.
Yeah, you
just,
don't know.
It's something funny to just chat with us if you feel like it. We're going to try to upload more often over there. Just it's so fast and easy to do.
Yeah.
So it'd just be nice to get that rolling a little bit, just because it's so easy to do.
Yeah.
Right?
Sure.
It's fun.
Yeah.
And
We like eating snacks.
Yeah. Right? And the Amazon thing, remember? Go save that link whatever one, doesn't matter which one you save for the American one there.
Yeah.
You'll be all good. And if you don't have the Canadian one, save that one. It's down there too. Anyways, we'll see you the next one.
See ya.
Have a good one. Thanks for stopping by.